Welcome back to my channel, Trade Like Seb. Today is April 12th, Tuesday, another stock trading day of the week. And today I bring you guys another day trade of the day review. This morning we had a pretty crazy morning, crazy open. I'm going to explain everything. Brother, lots of stress, I will say. This morning we opened pretty heavy of selling pressure, and we just didn't have a clear direction of where we wanted to go. And I was in a couple of trades around 9:40. So I want to get into all my trade reviews of the day. I will say I traded Nvidia and Tesla and Disney. I will say my best trade out of the three was Nvidia, only because it was the most complex trade, probably top 5 best trades that I have taken on the year so far. And let's get into it. First trade of the review I'm going to go into is Tesla. So I want to tap into Tesla right away. We can see Tesla is actually coming down now. I am taking this trade review right after I covered my positions. And the market is still live. Right now it's only 10:18. So let's get right into Tesla. So CPI data came out this morning. Consumer prices for March increased about 1.2% month to month and 8.5% annually. So the core CPI in March increased 0.3%, below the consensus economists estimate from Dow Jones of 0.5%. So it's red hot number, but the market's reaction for now suggests it's priced in, especially with the month-over-month core read coming in below expectations. So, I mean, the 10-year Treasury yield retreated from a 3-year high following the report. So, a lot of traders are betting that this inflation is showing signs of peaking. So tech stocks rallied, as well as the rest of the market. So let's get into Tesla. I want to show you guys the overall picture. I'm going to go to the 1 hour here. This green dotted line is my entry. That's what I'm looking at, 1010. If we go to the hourly, we can see that this red candle is actually 10. The highest is 1011, but 1010, be quick entry. So 1010, I was looking at, you can see the gap to next profit first target is 1020. And that's for Tesla. So Tesla, we can see in pre-market, I'll show you guys in the 5-minute chart, that in the pre-market, look at all this gap ups. And then when we get closer to this 9:30, we gapped up with 2 leg ups, 1 small pullback. I saw we were kind of creating a little triangle here. So once this happened here, I was probably going to look for Tesla for a bounce or above that 1010 level. So once market opened, actually I'll get into the play-by-play in just a sec. I just want to keep reviewing on my trade. So I was looking for a Tesla bounce, possibly from 980 to 990. Reason why is we have 200 moving average here, and we can see that this was a pretty big resistance previously, and we broke out of it. So I was probably maybe seeing if we can come to test 980 to 990, this whole zone was going to be buying zone. So if we came that low, but although I wanted ideally to see an upside of a break of 1010, and that's what we did. So let's tap into it play by play. So 930 struck, we opened, greened a little bit. It was this whole area was a bunch of consolidation around the moving averages. You see these long wicks. The stock definitely came all the way down here to about 991 and bounced back up. While I was in this trade, I was also in a Nvidia trade. While this was happening, the whole market was trying to figure out what move it was going to push. It wanted to do something. It wanted to have a leg up or down. I was trying to figure out which direction that was going to be and, enter a position. I entered about only 3 contracts for Tesla at 1050 strike price. So I was initially looking for the 1010 break for the first target price at 1020 and take um, my profit there. So as soon as this long candle started testing that 990 and we wicked up, the Qs also at around this time started breaking out as well. I always have the Qs um, stock chart always up next to my tech stocks when I'm trading them because they always trade very identical. If Qs break out, Tesla, Nvidias, and AMDs always carry with. So that's what I was having in the back of my mind. And as soon as Tesla started approaching this 1010 level, I started getting ready. And we can see here on the bottom, volume was picking up. We had about 1, 2, 3, 4 straight matching uh, green volume candles. So that was giving us the momentum to push and break that 1010 level. So we broke that 1010 level and we pushed actually all the way to 1021. Exactly. Highest on this candlestick was 1021.19. This gap filled. I took profit. This was pretty easy trade. It was just patience. These 3 green candlesticks. I knew after we broke this 1010 level and based off the volume and the price action we was getting, we was probably going to touch the 1020. And as this move was happening, Qs was also pushing um, to test back their pre-market highs. So I knew we was going to get this small initial leg up, and I was already in that trade, and I caught it. I caught about 50%, 55% out of Tesla. It was a great trade, almost $1,000 on the day on Tesla with just 3 contracts. This was Tesla. Looks like Tesla's coming back down to test this 1010 level. We can see what it does here. Remember that previous resistance might be turning into a support here. So this 1010 level is crucial. If we break this 1010 level, we can actually have a little bit move to this VWAP here and this 21 EMA. So that's Tesla. Um, Thank you for listening. If you took the time out of your day and listen, I really appreciate that. If you learned something, drop a comment. If you want me to do other videos, any other stock related topics you want me to cover, just drop them in the comments and let me know. Let me know what you also traded today. I'm going to upload my NVIDIA trade next. And thank you guys. Peace.